Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to have two accounts on Monopoly Go. But first, check out our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to have multiple accounts for Monopoly Go, the first thing that you want to guarantee here is you save your current progress on your first account. So typically, what you need to do here is you want to access Monopoly Go with your account currently that you want to save here, and you want to go and click on the three bar icon you see at the top right of your screen, and you want to go ahead and click on settings. Now in here, you want to go and click on manage account, and you want to make sure that you connect this to a Facebook account. So go and click on connect for Facebook. And if you want to connect as well to your Google Play account, you can go and just click on connect as well, like what I did here. And once you've done that, you're pretty much good to go. Now, in this case, how do we use a second account here? Now, we first need to understand what do you need to create, or what do you need to create a second Monopoly Go account. Well, what you need right now is another Facebook account. Now, before doing so, I would highly recommend you to create a Facebook account first. Go to facebook.com, create a new Facebook account, and once you've done that, you want to go ahead and head over to your Facebook app in here, and basically log into that account. And just make sure that when you do that, you actually are logged into that Facebook account. So if you're not aware yet, you can go and click on the three bar icon at the top left of your screen. You can go and click on the drop down button here, and you can go and just choose the option here, or add another account if you want. So you can go and click on go to account center and add a new account here, and you can basically from then on you could just log in via that account. Now, obviously, there are multiple ways to do this, so it depends on you. But yeah, once you've created your account, logged into your account via this Facebook app here, this one's really important. So once you've done that, what you need to do next is you want to go ahead and head over and look for the Monopoly Go app here, and you want to go and just press and hold on Monopoly Go, and you want to go and click on the eye icon. Now, specifically, we are visiting the app info page. Now, obviously, you could also access this via the settings page in your mobile phone. Don't have to worry about it. But yeah, in here, you want to go and click on clear data at the bottom right here, and you want to go and click on the option that says clear all data. Now, that's why we save our progress before, because we are clearing all the data here. But don't worry, since we've connected our first Monopoly Go account to a Facebook account and as well as a Google account, you won't lose progress. You can relog in later on. But yeah, in here, click on clear all data, click on OK. And once you've done that, you want to go open up Monopoly Go here. Now, inside Monopoly Go, we should be able to start from scratch in here. Now, in this case, you go ahead and just do whatever you want in here. It's going to open up Monopoly Go. Now, you can go and just choose start as guest or play as guest when you first load up into Monopoly Go. And once you started playing as guest here in Monopoly Go, you could basically start doing the tutorial as you would. And once you've completed the tutorial here, as you can see, play as guest, you should be able to connect your Facebook account, or again, the newly created Facebook account, into this new Monopoly Go account. Now, obviously, that's how you do it. But just in case, if you want to go back into your old Monopoly Go account, what you need to do is, again, you want to go and visit your Monopoly Go, your Facebook account in here, and you want to go and switch over to the original Facebook account where you have your first account connected to. Now, once you've logged that in, you want to go ahead and go back into Monopoly Go, and you want to go ahead and do the same thing. Press and hold on it, click on the eye icon or the app info section, click on clear data, click on clear all data, and once you've done that, just open up the app, as you can see, like what we did before, and click on play with friends. Now, it will open up Facebook, so that's why I'm asking you to log into the correct Facebook account, because it will automatically connect to that Facebook account, as you can see right now. So yeah, basically, once it is actually connected, or once they actually found your account, it will open up your past progress for that account, and you should be able to continue playing that specific account again. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.